Hello, my name is Faiez Mhamdi. I'm 26 years old. Now I'm living in Barcelona. I'm studying. I'm making a master in programming in database with Python language. And I'm making a practice, an internship in a company. So actually, I've erased all my data from an external hard disk. It was accidentally. So when I found that there is a way, I was looking I was watching some videos and I found that people they are using Stellar Data Recovery. I've installed it, so it was a big help for me because there is a way to recover my data, and this data is so important for me because I've put 7 years of university there. So I'm in a big necessity, and now I'm working on a project, and my data is there. Uh, so I don't know if there is a way. If there is a way to, I don't know if I will see if I can recover all my data. I will see the efficiency of stellar data recovery. I'm sure that it's a good way because when I made the reading, it late like more than 1 hour, maybe 2 hours to recover. But then they asked me for the key of activation. So, but I saw there that all my data it's there. So I was so happy because I didn't lost nothing. So whatever I recommend people, it's something good. It's the first time I will use it, and it would be a big favor if you send me an activation key, and thank you very much.